Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this part modeling tutorial 85. As you can see that I have already modeled it from the scratch as per the isometric drawing, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part in FreeCAD. So I will close this file and create a new file. So you can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file and I have activated the part design workbench, and from here I will create a body and I will select origin and press the space bar, and I will select this right plane and click on the sketch, and then I will off this origin plane. And here first feature which will be create is to create these two diameters. So we will select a circle, inner diameter is of 30, inner diameter 30 and outer diameter is of 50. Now we will close it and we will create extrusion of a 48 mm. Select sketch, click on extrude and give it 48 mm. Click on OK. Now we will create our plane. So select the face and click on the datum plane, and here we will create exact to the face and click on OK. And now we will click on rebuild and we will select this datum plane and click on the sketch, and we will go here and off this datum plane. And now we will project this outer diameter, and we will create a 3-point arc. Select here and create a 3-point arc, and select a horizontal dimension, give it 30, and from here give it 15. Now I will move it, and now we will create this profile. So we will select line tool, draw the two vertical lines, and here we will draw a construction which is of R60, so it will be 120 mm circle. So select the circle and create one circle and select it and make it construction, and from here go to the diameter, make it 120. Now I will move the dimension so that you can clearly see it. And now we will select this point and this circle and add the coincidence constraint. Similarly we will create arc. So select 3-point arc and select this and add the tangency, and select this arc point on axis, add coincidence, and now we will again create a 3-point arc. We will select this and click on the merge. And now we will create a 3-point arc here as well, and again a 3-point arc here. Now we will select this and add the tangency, select this and add the tangency, and this inner radius of 45, and now this arc point will be coincidence with this. So this is our fully constrained profile, and now we will extrude to the 15 mm, 15 plus 5. So first we will close it. Now here we will on the datum plane and edit this datum plane in Z direction of 5 mm. So here we will give the -5, click on OK, and now we will rebuild it. So you can see that our sketch is shifted to the datum plane. Now select the sketch, click on pad, and click on reverse, and here give the 15 mm. Now we will create this profile. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch. Now we will click on the project geometry, project all the edges, and here we will draw the arc equal to our projected one. Now here also I will create a 3-point arc. Now select this and add it equal, and now we will create a 3-point arc here. Select this and add the tangency. So our sketch is fully constrained. We will select the sketch and click on the pad, and here we will add the material of 5 mm, click on OK. Now here you can see that this two has not been merged, so we will click on the pad and we will go the refine, we will say it true. Now switch to the isometric view. Now we will use the polar pattern. So polar pattern, this feature on the other side. So we will go here and click on polar pattern, click on OK. So here we will go, we want to polar pattern this pad 001 and pad 002, pad 001 and pad 002, click on OK, and here occurrences is 2 we want. Click on OK. Now click on polar pattern, refine, set true. So you can see that it has been polar pattern on the other side. Now we will create this hole. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, select the circle, create a circle of diameter 120. So select it, go to the diameter and give it to 120, and now select it and make it construction. And now we will create a line, and now select the angular dimension and add it to the 45, and now select this construction arc and this point and add the coincidence and make it construction. And now we will create a 3 circle, one here, one here, and one here. Now we will move it and we will add the coincidence constraint here. It is constraint, and now this one, select this point and this axis and add the coincidence. Now this is are the diameter of a 15, so we will select all these 3 and make it equal, and we will go with the diameter and add the diameter of a 15 mm. Click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut. From here say true all, say OK. Now we will select this pocket and click on polar pattern, and here it is automatically selected axis. Click on OK. So you can see that we have successfully modeled this part in FreeCAD from the scratch. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.